YouTube fam, good morning, good morning, good morning. Forex King coming back at you with another video. So I'm getting right into it. As you can see, we're live. We got a trade going on. Today's Tuesday, December 2nd. I'm scalping the US 30. So this is what we got. You see P&L here. I got in on this candle right here. So I'm basically seeing what's going to happen with this particular trade. Now, I'm expecting the trade, and I want the trade to go further up, but we'll see. My first trade of the day was decent. I got it on this candle, and I was expecting, in essence, this move up since it was above all of my moving averages. But we hit this level, had some really serious rejection, and it pulled back heavily. So I got out in the green. I'll check that in a second. The only reason I don't want to check that now is because where we at right now. I'm watching my trade. Clearly, this is a good level, right? If it stays above this yellow, I'll feel comfortable to stay in and let it go up a little further. But at the same time, I don't want to play too much games because the last time this happened, as you can see right here, it hit a good level and dropped. So I do want to see what happens, and then I'll show you. I mean, the profit of the first trade was like $5. I mean, it wasn't a lot, but I mean, it's like being authentic and transparent. But so this is what we got going on while we're watching this trade. So for those of you you're new to my channel, I appreciate you. Welcome. I scalped I scalped the US 30. I like the indices. For those, let me see. For those of you who've seen some of my videos in the past, you already know the game. I try to keep it pretty simple, pretty authentic. I'm not trying to sell anything. I don't want to be nobody's mentor or none of that excess, none of that, etc. I'm literally just recording videos just to document my journey and my success and my growth as a trader. Really just that simple. With that said, need some strong bullish momentum from this candle here, just because of the bear pressure, the selling pressure. So we're at a level. This thing is going way too low. Really need a reversal for me to stay in this trade. Yeah, get out of there. Yeah, get out of there. Yeah, it's okay. I really would have liked more profit, to be honest. Just based on what's going on with the trade, but right now, for me, it's all about execution. I was excited. I thought this would have been a much more profitable trade, but it's all about executing right now. It's clear that once we get to a certain level, there's some like real serious rejection, and we're good with that. Honestly, for me, it's about execution, and discipline. I'll show you my first two trades. Oh, okay. Well, 7 and 8, not bad. So the first trade today, on the second was 7. Today was 8. As you can see, the last trade was on, what's that? The day after Thanksgiving, that Friday, 26. Yeah. So that was Friday. I didn't really trade after that. So we're still here. We're still in the game. We're still making moves. We're still trading. But we're taking it as it comes. I'm letting life handle what it needs to handle, but also just staying true to myself, staying true to the journey, not forcing anything. And see, I'm glad I got out of that trade. So for whatever reason, besides the obvious, I know this is a good level, right? See the moving average curve at that level. This was on Friday. I didn't trade Friday, but I was watching the moves Friday. I didn't really get in on anything. Yeah, that's it. I was really hoping for it to be a monster day. That's why I started recording. But honestly, At least you're watching the reality. You're watching real life trading, real emotions, real market movement, real P&L. For those of you who see my videos in the past, I've shown you confirmations of me getting payouts from the company. So this is not a demo account. This is an instant funded trading account. And really, that's it. What does the day look like? Okay. Nothing really crazy. Nothing. Yeah, nothing crazy. Nothing indicative. This is the gap here. It's the level of the gap. It's above the gap right now, which is okay. So you can see yesterday it dropped below the gap, a little bit of rejection, and said, "Oh, and we're going right back up," which is what happened today. Wow. See, this is why it's an important to follow whatever your plan and your strategy is. Now, as you can see, I don't trade with stop loss to take profit. I just pay attention to what's going on. Once you get to a certain point, I'm gonna get out the trade. Period. I don't trade with stop loss to take profit just because I want to watch my trades. I understand levels. I'll take my profit based on certain levels. Sometimes you'll have days like today where it'll hit, and then even though I got in at a pretty decent level, you'll see what happened. The market will pull back. But I'm not doing any more take losses because it for me it breeds laziness. For me, I just want to stay in the trade, handle my own money. I don't want to give the market opportunity to take out money from my account. You know what I mean? So it's nothing crazy. Everyone has their own, you know what I'm saying, reasons, strategies for trading. What feels good to you feels good to you. For me, I've been trading for so long without a stop loss and take profit that it would be an adjustment to try to trade with them, to be honest with you. But overall, that's it. If you're still in the market, I mean, it's really early today. It's still 11 o'clock. Still a lot of potential movement, a lot of activity that can go on between now and the end of trading day. Me, I don't know how long I'm going to stay in the market. Probably not past 1 p.m. just because that's just when my trader fatigue starts to kick in. But other than that, it's all about execution, staying focused, and just enjoying the journey. You dig? So I ain't gonna belabor this video too long. I just want to get on so you guys know that I'm still here, still trading, still making things happen. Taking it one step at a time. Other than that, if you guys haven't traded yet, you guys be safe. Stick to the disciplines, stick to your strategy, be persistent. But again, it's all about discipline and just monitoring yourself. I said if you haven't traded. If you are trading, again, stick to the discipline, stick to the trades. You dig? So whether you're trading or you're not, you still got to be disciplined, right? So that's it. I say it at the end of all my videos. The market don't care about you, only you care about you. So be patient, be disciplined, and stay true to yourself and take care of yourself. All right? Appreciate you guys. Forex King out.